Drop one down through.
And we have a chimney.
Okay, I put a 10-inch sleeve in this roof. That's an 8-inch, an 8-inch flue chimney. And I didn't really, they say you could put it right against that silicone flashing, but I didn't really want to do that. So I put an 8-inch or a 10-inch through. I'm going to put the flashing on that, and I'm going to put the 8-inch chimney up through, and then put a storm collar around the 8-inch to seal off that gap in there. So I'm going to slide this down, put some silicone under it, put some screws in it, and then I'll be done up here. I don't even know if I need this silicone, but they say to do it, so. Okay, here we go. Last piece. There we go. Ready for a fire now.
Does that just sit there like that?
Yeah, it's stuck down there. It probably went in further at one time, but it's probably a little rusty. This is all used stuff I had on this thing before.
It's fine.
So
It'll work.
It'll be fine. Here we are.